So now all eyes are on Samsung's next Galaxy A series, which is the A57, and it looks like Samsung is taking it seriously this time. Remember when Samsung's cheaper processor were not so great, your phone would get hot, drain battery fast and lag like crazy? But guess what, those days might be officially over. The Galaxy A56 has proven that Samsung can make solid mid-range phones. Its Exynos 1580 chip works well, no complaint, no drama, just smooth performance for way less money than a flagship. Now here is where it gets interesting. Samsung cooking up the Exynos 1680 for the upcoming Galaxy A57. But here is the cool part, it might pack the same graphics stack as their top tier phones. We are talking about the Xclipse 550 GPU with AMD's latest graphics. That's a flagship level gaming power in a mid-range phone. Think about it, you could play heavy games, edit videos and multitask without breaking the bank. That's pretty awesome. But let's be real, Samsung need to fix one big problem, those thick bezels around the screen. They make the phone look cheap. The good news, rumor says the A57 will finally get slim bezels. About time, right? Your phone should look as good as it performs. Design-wise, Samsung's keeping the A series look separate from the premium S series. Smart move, the back design looks modern and clean, better than the old style. Now here is my wish list for the A57. First, give us a zoom camera. Chinese brands are already doing 2x and 3x zoom at this price. Samsung, you're behind here. Second, bump up the battery to 6000 mAh. We want all day power, maybe even 2 days. And third, 4K video at 60 FPS would be incredible. Content creator on a budget would love this. Look, I know I'm asking for a lot, but competition is in fire. Brands like Nothing, OnePlus and Chinese manufacturers are pushing hard in the specs. Samsung can't just coast on its name anymore. The Galaxy A57 could be Samsung's statement phone. It's saying, hey, you don't need to spend $1000 to get flagship features. If they nail the camera, display and performance, this could be a phone that changed everything. So what do you guys think? Will Samsung deliver on these features? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. With that being said, I will see you in the next one.